Hey LaGuardia students, did you know there's a vibrant urban farm right here on campus? Welcome to Finca La Florecita, or Little Flower Farm, named in honor of our college's namesake. It's the heart of LaGuardia's Sustainable Urban Agriculture program, the first in New York City to offer an Associates of Science in this field. Our mission is to grow the next generation of urban agriculture leaders while restoring soil, fighting food insecurity, and building stronger communities. With 21 raised beds, a high tunnel, composting systems, and rainwater harvesting, the farm is an outdoor living classroom. All produce grown helps stock the LaGuardia Cares food pantry. And here's the best part. Students from all majors can get involved, whether you're studying health, business, education, or the arts. Start with SGN 115, Sustainable Urban Agriculture, an intro, field trip-based course that counts towards your urban studies credit. No experience needed, just your curiosity. So come and grow at Finca La Florecita.